Home assignment answers. Roman number 1, answer the following. Question 1. What are the characteristic features of a patriot? Answer. A patriot is a person who loves his native land. His heart would beat for his motherland, even if he had wandered all over the world. Question 2. What characterizes a person who is not patriotic? Answer. The poet compares a person who is not patriotic, whose soul is dead. An unpatriotic person has never felt for his motherland, even after returning back to his motherland after wandering all over the world. Question 3. For him no minstrel raptures swell. A. Who does the word hymn refer to? Answer. The word hymn refers to the person who is not patriot. B. Why is the poet unhappy with such a person? Answer. The poet is unhappy with such a person who is not patriot because despite his titles, power and wealth, an unpatriotic person is selfish and never thinks about his motherland. He led a worthless life and died unwept, unhonored and unsung. Question number 4. Make a list of the rhyming words in the poem. Answer. Burned, turned, well, swell, dead, said, pelf, self, renown, down, sprung, unsung. Roman number 2. Punctuate the following sentences. Children, the capitals and other punctuation marks has been highlighted in red. Question 1. Where W is a capital is the book I is capital gave you. Question mark. Question 2. May M is capital, God G is capital, bless you. Exclamation mark. Question 3. He H is capital, speaks fluently, comma, correctly and clearly, full stop. Question 4. Mohan M is capital, is honest, comma, brave and strong, full stop. Question 5. I capital, am going to Madhu's. M is capital, apostrophe S, house, full stop. Children, let me give you an introduction to this lesson. India's long-drawn struggle to free itself from the foreign rule, the untold miseries and sufferings of those who fought for the freedom of their motherland form a glorious part. The fight was not merely for political rights but for freedom from oppression of the foreign rule in all walks of life. Over the years, freedom struggle struck deep roots across the length and breadth of the country. It drew strength from every nook and corner of the country, cutting across caste, creed, religion, region, etc. The supreme sacrifice and selfless spirit of our freedom fighters has carved out a history. The story of Indian freedom struggle is incomplete without the above heroes. We pay tribute to these great sons and daughters of our country. Children, let us learn some new words and its meaning and how to use them in making sentences. Display means show. There was a display of all the handicrafts from Northeast. Make it means achieve. I was able to make it to the finals after a lot of hard work. Passed out means came out successfully. The students passed out of their board exam successfully. Dedication means commitment. For any success, dedication and hard work are most important. The warrior who bought glory. Give me a man or a woman with common sense and who is not an idiot, and I assure you can make a leader out of him or her. The above quote has been given by Sam Manekshaw, the hero of our lesson. Sam Harmuzji Pramji Jamshedji Manekshaw, or Sam Manekshaw as he is better known, was born in Amritsar on 3rd April 1914. Even as a child, he displayed his ambition to join the army. Out from Sherwood College in Nainital, after completing his class 11, Manekshaw appeared for the Army Entrance Examination in 1932. There were 1,200 applicants along with him for 15 vacancies. He was not sure if he could make it. However, he was successful. In 1934, he passed out from the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun. Children, I'll give you some interesting information about Sam Manekshaw as I explain about him in this paragraph. Sam Harmuzji Pramji Jamshedji Manekshaw, or Sam Manekshaw, was born on April 3, 1914 to Parsi parents Harmuzji Manekshaw and Hirabai. He grew up in Punjab. Interestingly, Sam was given the name Cyrus before it was changed by a concerned aunt. She had heard of a Parsi named Cyrus being sentenced to jail and did not want her nephew to have the name that would prove to be unlucky. Sam completed his education from Nainital's Sherwood College with distinction. A good student, he wanted to go to London to pursue medicine like his gynecologist father. But Harmuzji refused, saying that Sam was too young to stay abroad on his own. Sam appeared for the Indian Military Academy entrance examination. He got through and became a part of the first batch of 40 cadets to be selected for the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Children, let us read the paragraph together. Sam Harmuzji Pramji Jamshedji Manekshaw, or Sam Manekshaw as he is better known, was born in Amritsar on 3rd April 1914. Even as a child, he displayed his ambition to join the army. Out from Sherwood College in Nainital after completing his class 11, Manekshaw appeared for the Army Entrance Examination in 1932. There were 1,200 applicants along with him for 15 vacancies. He was not sure if he could make it. However, he was successful. In 1934, he passed out from the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun. Manekshaw took part in World War II. He was defending Burma against the Japanese attack. History has recorded some of his memorable experiences. One day, as he moved forward with his men against the Japanese army, he got shot by a Japanese soldier which seriously wounded him. Major General David Cowan thought that Manekshaw would lose his life, and he immediately pinned his own military cross ribbon on Manekshaw, saying a dead person cannot be awarded a military cross. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings. Defending means protecting from harm. Pinned means attached. Awarded means prize to someone. Children, I shall share some extra information in this paragraph when I am explaining. Nearly a decade later, the outbreak of World War II saw Japanese forces invading Burma, which was a British colony in those days. During an attack, Manekshaw was hit 9 times in the stomach by a machine gun fire, but continued to lead his soldiers. When Major General Sir David Cowan heard of Manekshaw's bravery, he rushed to the battle site, took off his own military cross ribbon and pinned it on the wounded soldier's chest, saying, "A dead person cannot be awarded a military cross." Children, let us read the paragraph together. Manekshaw took part in World War II. He was defending Burma against the Japanese attack. History has recorded some of his memorable experiences. One day, as he moved forward with his men against the Japanese army, he got shot by a Japanese soldier, which seriously wounded him. Major General David Cowan thought that Manekshaw would lose his life, and he immediately pinned his own military cross ribbon on Manekshaw, saying, "A dead person cannot be awarded a military cross." The incident shows how Manekshaw had the unique distinction of having got honored for his bravery on the battlefront itself. To everyone's surprise, Manekshaw soon recovered from his injury, not to rest but to take more active part in challenging battles and to shoulder responsible assignments. In all these, Manekshaw was highly successful and victorious. Children, let us learn some new words and its meanings. Unique, being only one of the kind. Battlefront, armies engage in fighting. Recovered means be well again. Shoulder means bearing responsibility in this lesson. Children, when I am explaining, I will give you some incidents that has happened with Sam Manekshaw. One of the most famous anecdotes that Manekshaw is also linked to, the previously mentioned when he was shot 9 times in Burma yet survived. So severe were his injuries that the surgeon operating on him was going to give up on his bullet-ridden body until he asked Sam what had happened. To this, the wounded soldier replied in true Manekshaw's fashion, "Nothing happened. I was kicked by a donkey." A man who could joke at such a time, the surgeon was of the opinion he had a chance to live. This all shows how Manekshaw was very strong, and due to which reason he brought lot of success and victory to India. Children, let us read the paragraph together. This incident shows how Manekshaw had the unique distinction of having got honored for his bravery on the battlefront itself. To everyone's surprise, Manekshaw soon recovered from his injury, not to rest but to take more active part in challenging battles and to shoulder responsible assignments. In all these, Manekshaw was highly successful and victorious. Grammar, tenses. Verbs have tenses which show differences in the time of action. Example, I see a crow on the fence. I hear the music. Honesty is the best policy. The verbs see, hear and is in the sentences show the present time. They are said to be in present tense. Let us see some more examples on simple present tense. This tense has only one word. Examples: Candy likes flowers. The flowers smell good. Mimi sings well. Mimi is good at singing. Simple present tense. We need to remember certain rules. In a simple present tense, the first form of the verb is used. In some cases, s or es is added. I, we, you, they, and all plural subjects first form of the verb. He, she, it, and all singular subjects first form of the verb plus s or es. Children, let us do an activity on the simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the simple present form of the verb given in the brackets. Question 1. I dash at a bank. Question 2. Sita dash with her parents. Question 3. Cows dash on grass. Question 4. He dash a handsome salary. Question 5. Aarti and her husband dash in New Delhi. Question 6. Soman dash English very well. Question 7. Raju dash for a walk in the morning. Question 8. My grandfather dash his pet dog. Question 9. Plants dash water and sunlight for making their food. Activity: simple present tense answers. Fill in the blanks with the simple present form of the verb given in the brackets. Question 1. I dash at a bank. Work is the answer. Question 2. She dash with her parents. Lives is the answer. Question 3. Cows dash on grass. Feed is the answer. Question 4. He dash a handsome salary. Earns is the answer. Question 5. Aarti and her husband dash in New Delhi. Live. Question 6. Soman dash English very well. Speaks is the answer. Question 7. Raju dash for a walk in the morning. Goes is the answer. Question 8. My grandfather dash his pet dog. Adores is the answer. Question 9. Plants dash water and sunlight for making their food. Need is the answer. Home assignment, Roman number 1. Answer the following. Question 1. When did Sam Manekshaw join the Indian Military Academy? Question 2. What happened to Sam Manekshaw during World War II? Question 3. Which nation did Sam Manekshaw defend in World War II? Question 4. What made General Cowan honor Sam Manekshaw on the battlefield? Roman number 2. Use the following word or phrase and make your own sentences. Displayed, passed out. Roman number 3. Fill in the blanks with the simple present form of the verbs given in the brackets. Question 1. If the baby dash in the night, both parents dash up. Question 2. Most people dash the rules and dash to be good citizens. Question 3. Mohan dash to fix everything. Question 4. I dash to watch my children dash in the garden. Question 5. As soon as dash his office, he dash his email. Okay children, Today's class comes to an end. I will continue the lesson in the next class. Till then, stay home and be safe.